Hello friends, today I'm unboxing a MacBook Pro 13-inch with Apple's M1 chip. This is a machine with 16GB of RAM, so it had to be ordered online. It took about 3 weeks to arrive, so I'm excited to share this unboxing experience with you now. I had my knife already there, but this little tab thing made it really easy to open the box anyway, so that was really good. Once the MacBook is removed, there's not a lot in the box. There's a manual booklet type things here with nice space gray colored stickers. And there's a charging brick here, thankfully, unlike the iPhone. And here's the USB charging cable. I'm trying to see whether there's anything else, but that's about it. Once you open the laptop for the first time, it makes that ding sound, and the MacBook automatically boots up. And the standard installation begins, which I won't go into here unless you really wanted to see that, in which case put a comment down below and I'll see what I can do for you. I've actually used this MacBook Pro for about a couple of days now, just doing simple things like video editing, just web browsing and downloading a whole bunch of apps to try to set this up. So I just wanted to share a couple of impressions with you. It is not in any way in depth because I haven't really had it for long enough. First thing that I really like about this MacBook is that it's so light. It feels so light that it might be even lighter than an iPad Pro with a keyboard folio case, which I don't think it is. The portability of this machine is going to be amazing. So if you wanted a commuter laptop, I think this would be a fantastic one. Another thing that I really liked is that the MacBook Pro instantly wakes when you open the lid. If you see the 16 Pro being opened right now, there's a delay. But if you see the 13 being opened, it is so immediate that it all feels like it never actually went to sleep. There are a couple of minor inconveniences I've found so far, one of which is USB-C ports. It's got two USB-C ports on the left side, as you can see, and this is the MacBook Pro 16. It's got two on the left and two on the right. This means for MacBook Pro 13, I need to make sure I can access the ports by having the laptop on the right side for the cables that I've got. For example, my current setup has the cable very short because I have another laptop that has a USB-C cable on the right. So if I pull it and try to put it into the stand, it's not going to reach. Look, it's a minor inconvenience, of course, and this is something people can work around, but thought you might want to know. So that concludes my unboxing and quick impressions video. So once I've had a good amount of time to use this machine, I might do a fuller review based on my use cases, which involves video editing, web browsing, and a little bit of coding. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see this review and what you would like to see in it. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you could please subscribe and like this video. I have other videos in the works I would love to share with you. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!